In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack Huddle. By the end, you'll be comfortable starting a huddle, adjusting your audio and video, and using the key controls so your quick conversations run smoothly. First, log into your Slack account and open the workspace where you want to host your huddle. Head to the channel where the conversation should happen. This could be a team channel, a project channel, or any space where the right people will see it. Once you're in the correct channel, look to the top right and click Huddle to start. Slack will open the Huddle window right away, and you'll see a control bar near the bottom. From here, you can mute or unmute your microphone. If your mic isn't responding, check that your browser or desktop app has permission to use it. You can also turn your video on and off. The first time you do this, grant camera permission so others can see you. A quick tip: if you're in a noisy space, start muted and unmute when you're ready to speak. Next, you can share your screen to walk teammates through a document, a design, or anything else you need to show. Choose the window or screen carefully if you have sensitive information open elsewhere. Reactions are available too, so you can give a quick thumbs up or emoji response without interrupting the flow. If you need more people in the conversation, use the invite option to bring them in directly. You can also copy the Huddle link and send it to someone who needs to join from a message or from another channel. To keep everyone aligned, add a topic so it's clear what the Huddle is about. You have a few personalization and accessibility options as well. You can choose a Huddle theme for a bit of visual flair, and you can change the language setting if that helps your team. Turn on captions if you prefer to read along or want extra clarity in a noisy environment. You can enable a video background for privacy, and you'll find controls to adjust your mic and camera settings without leaving the Huddle. There's also a video preview so you can check your framing and lighting before you go on camera. That's the core of using Slack Huddle. Start it in the right channel, manage your audio, video, and screen sharing, bring in the right people, and use the topic and accessibility tools to keep everything clear. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.